So what does the word petrodollar mean? I'm sure you've heard this word thrown around in financial circles. It basically refers to the pricing of commodities, and in particular oil, in dollars. So if you think about it, commodities are traded worldwide and they must be priced in something. And usually they're priced in the world's reserve currency, or for the most part, they're predominantly priced in dollars, in this case, in today's world. And that's where the term comes from. Keep in mind that post 1945, after World War II, the US being the sole hegemon, at least in the Western world, commodities were typically traded in dollars, and it became more reinforced in the 70s when the US and Saudi Arabia entered into a special relationship where, in exchange for security guarantees, weapon sales, and stability in the Middle East, the Saudis would price their oil exclusively in dollars. Now, you're seeing that being eroded sometimes. Eroded today in some parts with perhaps agreements to be pricing oil in perhaps yuan or other currencies. So that is being chipped away on the edges. We talk more about this topic in another video about when the US debt levels will become unsustainable. So check that out. The link is above. We hope you found this video helpful. And of course, if you're looking to save money when you buy or sell property in New York or Florida, check us out, Hauseit.com. You save 6% when you sell and 2% or more when you buy.